Hello everybody. I would like to show you how to find your assignments, specifically lab assignments, and where to upload them. So as you can see, I am on your D2L on your course home right now. You will soon see an announcement that tells you more about this, and that's where you got the video from, by the way. So let's go ahead and click into content. When you click into content, as you can see, all of our old previous labs are gone. Um, they are stuff that we've already completed and turned in, with the exception of the one that you're supposed to turn in today that we did last week. But this is where you will find all of your labs going forward. I removed the old ones as to not make this so busy. So post-spring break labs, you click on here, here's your week 11. When you look at your week 11, you have your first your first video. It shows you here how to use a micropipette. This is an informational video only, showing you how you would have done it if you were in lab, but I still need to give you the information, so please watch it. You will get credit for watching videos. So with that, that's informational only. The next video that you're required to watch is the P-Glow Lab video. It's really just the first half of the video, you'll see, because he'll switch topics and you'll be done with the P-Glow topic. You will use the information in this P-Glow Lab video to answer the questions in the modified P-Glow assignment. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the modified P-Glow assignment and open it up. As you can see, it's still giving you what we would have done for lab. I wanted to continue giving this information, that way you can have the background information, that you can read about it. But that information is also given in the video. Not the exact information, but the overall general premise of it. So with that, if you slide down all the way through, this would have been the procedure that you did. I left it there. That way you can look back and really understand. The video I gave you he doesn't go through the procedure. He just gives you the beginning, what it's about, and what the final is, and then what that means. So I left the procedure in here. To be clear, no, you're not doing the procedure, okay? You're just watching the video and answering the questions. So the questions that you are to be answering are these here, the results, the resulting questions. And obviously you cannot count the number of colonies. Well, you probably could. You could pause your video and count the number of colonies. I wouldn't knock you down for that. So anyway, drawing the pictures, do it from the video. And then move in here, answer all of these questions. So this is where it talks about the count. Sliding down here, questions 1 through 7. So all of these questions can be answered from the video provided. So let's go ahead and see how to submit that. When you click into assignments, when you click into assignments, you already have some assignments here. The first assignment is the DNA genetics lab. This is a Dropbox for the lab that you did, the last lab of class, the last campus lab. So if you were not present for that and it was unexcused, then you'll just take that as one of those labs that's dropped. If you were not present for it and it was excused, please email me and we can decide how you're going to go ahead and complete those obligations. All right, so this is the week 11 P-Glow lab. Go ahead and click into this. I want to bring something to your attention. If you click in here and you see nothing, and you're like, I don't know what the assignment is, and that happens, especially for the new ones that open up, go here, show submission folder information, click, and it gives you the instructions. I place instructions in there, and you'll always find my instructions here. So please take a picture of page 4 and 5 and submit here. Okay, so you go ahead and add your file, click in your computer, upload from your computer. I'm just going to choose any file there. Doesn't really matter. And I'm going to go ahead and add that. Submit. There you go. I have submitted one of my files. So let's go ahead and click in here. Look at it. Stay well. I always click just to make sure. Oh, yep, that's what I put. Okay, wonderful. So with that, let's go ahead and get back where we were. So that's how you submit your assignment and find the instructions for your assignment. So if you have any questions regarding um, whatever it is that is not biology content related, that is just having to do with you with questions, please email me. If you have questions regarding biology content, so your biology content, I would like you to go into discussions. When you go into discussions, you can see you have a discussion called My Office Hours. I would like you to make threads and to ask me questions here. Like, for example, if you have a question regarding evolution, which is coming up, rather than me getting 15 emails about, I don't understand natural selection, can you please explain it to me? I would rather you post it here in my office hours. When you click in here, just make a thread and post it. I'm going to put test thread. I think you guys have done a great job posting so far, so I think you figured out how to post. But the purpose of that is so that everybody can get that information. See, now I posted it. So now everybody can hear what the question is, and I can answer it here, and everybody gets benefit from it. With that, if you want to post anonymously, you may. That will not, students will not see who you are. If you're shy about anybody not, you don't want to put your questions out there with your name on it, it's fine. But I can look up who your anonymous posts are if I need to. And the reason for that is just to keep it nice. Now, if you want to talk to your fellow students, you go to your water cooler. Water cooler is more like a chillax type of place. This is nothing, don't post questions for me here. I will check this about once a month just to make sure everybody's talking nice to each other. But don't post any questions here that you want me to answer because they will not get answered in a timely manner. However, this one here, I get an email every time somebody posts something here. So with that, this is the best place for biology content questions. Alrighty, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great weekend.